So now we're going to practice some of the triplet figures at a quarter note equals 120. I just want to repeat each of these figures over and over. Notice in the second bar, A flat triplet to D flat. Most of the time when we see a triplet, it's pretty common to have the note after the triplet be the same note, something like this. That's pretty typical. But here in this etude, most of the time, the last note moves to a different note for the next beat, and which makes it just a little bit harder, especially to get the ka syllable in the right place on the right pitch. What we want to do is play ta-ta-ka-ta. We want to move to the next note, in this case D flat, early, instead of stay home on A flat for all three triplets. So we have to practice this a lot. And you can take it even slower if you have to. Practice getting the tas and the kas to sound even, and then the next note to be right on time at the right place. Buzzing it also helps. You could also play ta-ka-ta, like this. And then add the second ta. And we'll do the same thing for the next one. This is measure 8 now. Just isolate every triplet group, practicing getting it to the next note without cacking or without leaving the first note early on the way to the next note. Buzzing, practicing kas by itself, repeating the figure. Eventually you'll start to feel comfortable with it. At first it is kind of tricky to coordinate all of the syllables along with the slide and the different pitches. So that's why practicing these in an isolated way is very helpful.